Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to use Selenium Sulfide Shampoo, full guide. Wet your hair completely and apply a small amount directly to the scalp before lathering. Gently massage the scalp for a full minute to distribute the medicated ingredient evenly. Leave the shampoo on for the time indicated on the label, then rinse thoroughly. I'll walk you through safety tips, frequency guidelines, and what to expect during treatment in simple steps. Start with clean hands and gather a timer and a towel to stay organized during treatment. Lightly wet the hair and scalp to help the shampoo spread without dilution. Squeeze a modest amount into your palm, focusing on the scalp rather than the hair ends. Use gentle massaging motions to work the product in, ensuring contact with flakes or oily patches. I'll explain timing, frequency, and signs to pause treatment. After the recommended contact time, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until the water runs clear and no residue remains. Pat the scalp gently with a towel instead of vigorous rubbing to avoid irritation. If your hair feels dry, apply a light conditioner to the ends only, keeping the scalp free from additional products for at least 24 hours. I'll also cover how often to repeat treatment and when to consult a healthcare provider.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.